if you're writing physics and chemistry in your Jamb exam, you need to understand this matrix to help you solve faster. Listen, let me help you. Okay, now the square root of 82. The first thing you want to do is that what is the closest number to this 82 that is a perfect square? Do you understand? So for instance, you know that 81 is a perfect square. So when you do square root of 81, Abi, plus what is left, you know this is 81. What is left? We have 1, right? All over. Now, there is square root of 81 itself is 9. Abi, square root of 89 itself is 1. Let me just clean this. So that's 9 plus 1 over 2 times 9 is what? 18. So the answer is what? 9 plus 1 over 18. If you press your calculator, you'll get 0.055. Then this is 9.055. This is the answer. You don't need calculator. Like for square root of 82, just press 1 over 18. You are good to go. Let's say the next one, number 2, which is square root of 101. What is the closest one? That's square root of 100 plus what is left? 1. All over square root of 100 is what? 10. 2 times that 10. That's 20. It will help in your post-UTME, especially Unilag, where there's no even calculator. Understand? So that's it. So this is 10 plus 1 over 20 is what? 0.05. Add this together, 10.05. Don't worry, don't thank me yet. Don't thank me yet. You thank me later. The third one is square root of what? 28. What is the closest one? That's 25 now. So square root of 25. What is left? 25 from 28 minus 25 is 3 plus 3. Square root of 25 is what? Is 5. So 5 times 2. That's what? What is 5 times 2? 5 times 2 is what? Is 10. Okay. So if you do this, this is 5 plus 0. What? 0.3, Abi? So this is what? 5.3. Now, when will you think? When you press your calculator and press square root of 82, you get something close to this, if not exactly this. Square root of 108, you get something close to this, if not exactly this. Square root of 28, you get something close to this, if not exactly this. Then after you've done that, now thank me. Or if you understand this, quickly thank me now. Don't go, because you know I cannot teach you rubbish now. The experience is there. Okay, so this is the trick for you to know. If you're writing Jamb, physics, or chemistry, you need to know something like this. Even though you're writing post-UTME, you need to know something like this. So if you want to save this video, you want to share to your friends so that I can come back. You want to say that I can come back even though during your post-UTME, and you want to share it to your friends so that I can help them. And you also want to comment so that I can help this video go viral. Should you want to help me? Where like you see that button, like, comment, save, and share. See you in my next video. I hope this helps you. Bye for now. Okay, if you want to join our class, you can send me a message to join our class. Okay, where all your 4 subject combination will be discussed 4 hours every day, and there will be free textbooks for you to, or your Jamb pass questions free of charge. So send me a DM to get started. Bye.